I'm more open to ideas they might have over there, and it also makes you understand why people think and behave like they do. At the moment I'm studying European studies, so it was mandatory to spend some time abroad. I always had an interest in the United States, so that's why I decided to go there. Today we are in Amsterdam, where there's an event for all the Dutch students who received a Holland Scholarship. We are meeting in the Royal Tropical Institute, where we can share our experiences of our study abroad. When I was at the airport in Amsterdam to go to the United States, I was actually really sad. All my friends were there, my parents were there, and I had to say goodbye, and I knew I wouldn't see them for like half a year. That was hard for me. I actually cried. I have to say, like, after a week, I completely lost that feeling. I was so glad to be in the United States. I already met so many great people. They're so open to international students. From the moment you get there, you're part of their community, especially one of my best friends, Aaron. And I never expected that I would become so close to somebody who was like from the other side of the world. I used the money from the scholarship to pay for my flights, for my visa, and also all the fees I had to pay for my university. So I only had to pay the rent myself, which is also something I had to pay when I'm in the Netherlands. The biggest advice I have for everyone who is studying abroad or planning to do so, be open for everything that comes to you, all the experiences. Just say yes to everything. Just try to experience everything.